computer system. What is computer system? It is an electronic device. Why? Because computer will work through the electricity only. Okay, so that's why it is called electronic device. Now, what is the work? What is the use of computer system? So in the computer system, always you have studied that what is that? Input device, processor means CPU, and then output device. Okay. So what is the use of input device? To accept the data. To accept the data. Which type of data? Whatever user will give the instruction through the program, through the any command. Okay. So through which device? Through the keyboard, mouse, scanner. So these type of data, any input device, it will accept it. Through these devices, data will accept it. Now these instructions will send to the processor with CPU. Now CPU will process these data. For which purpose? To generate the results. Whenever CPU will get the answer, so these answers will send to the output device. And how user can see? User will see the output data through the monitor, printer. Okay. So through the output device, user will see the results. Okay. So in the computer system, it has three types, we can tell that. First part is input device, second part is processor to process the data, and then third part is showing the result through the output device. Another combination of hardware and software is called computer system. Hardware and software. Hardware, just like your devices, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, scanner, all are called in the hardware devices. Physically you can touch that, physically available, okay, in the environment, it is called hardware device. Now software, it is your application software, your website. Your website is also one type of application software. Okay, then system software, through the apps, through the software you can run the program, you can give the instruction. So that is why it is called combination of both hardware and software. It is called a computer system. Now suppose just assume that you have a hardware device, just like keyboard you have, but you don't have a software. Can you use it? No. Okay. If you have a software in the monitor, just like software in the monitor, your mobile phone, otherwise your tablet, you install some software, but you don't have a hardware device, just like you accepting data, just like keyboard, mouse, it is not available. So can you use this software? No. Okay. So that is why it is combination of both are the necessary for computer system, hardware and software. Right? So what is computer system? Combination of hardware devices and software, it is called computer system. How it will work computer system? Through the input device. What is the work of input device? To accept the data. This accept the data, it will process by the processor. Then it will generate to the result through the output device.